Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I am on my way to work out this morning. I don't know if I told y'all, but definitely if you follow me on Instagram, y'all already know I got a trainer. I've been doing my thing at the gym. The girl is running on the treadmill and stuff now, so I really do feel like I have leveled up with my fitness. So I'm excited to train today. I've been training for almost a month now and I like it. My trainer actually told me last week that I actually need to start eating and make sure I have enough protein because that's what's going to help transform my body the way that I want it to be. So I'm working. So I'm going to this company called Clean Eats, and they like basically create all of your meals, your healthy meals for you. They do the portion, they do, hold on y'all, I'm trying to get Ari ready for school too. They do like the calories, everything. Like it's super healthy, super clean. It's on some meal prep type of situation, so you don't have to worry about, you know, meal prepping. You know exactly what you're gonna eat every day, and like it's super affordable. So anyways, I'm gonna try to partner with them because the food is pretty good and I definitely like the idea of, you know, what they got going on. So y'all know my camera is bootleg, so the bitch might fall. But since I've been working out, of course I've been into, you know, trying to look cute at the gym, because that's gonna give you a whole nother level of motivation and just, you know, being into your workout or whatever. Like that's gonna give you a whole nother level of like motivation while you in the gym. So that's why I went shopping and bought a bunch of workout outfits. I got some stuff from Target, Lane Bryant. Lane Bryant is where I get all my supportive sports bras from. I did some shopping at Walmart, but like this is one of the cute outfits. It's so cute, y'all. So cute. This is my first time kind of wearing like a top like this where I'm really exposed at the top, so I'm a little uncomfortable, but it's cute. So this is what I'm wearing to the gym today. So anyways, let me get my butt in the car because I'm supposed to be training. I'm supposed to be at the gym at 9 and I still gotta drop Ari off, and I take like a couple minutes with Ari at school before I actually leave. So yeah, let me get up out of here. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I always post like my workout videos or whatever. They do numbers. So I mean, if I'm not on YouTube, I'm definitely on Instagram doing the reels or whatnot, and the numbers are going up. So definitely make sure you follow your girl, support your girl. If you want to get on this fitness journey with me, more than welcome to come join me. Mommy, yes, baby.
So this is better?
Yes, what's better? What are you doing?
It's better.
Okay.
It's the better way to get better.
You get better? What happened?
Like you get better.
Okay. All right, let's go put on your shoes. Let's get ready to go, okay?
I want to get an apple juice on a cubby.
No, we can't take this to school. We have to leave this at home. We got this little cute cup from Target. I got to go buy her another one because I messed up the princess cup. Anyways, let me get up out this house, y'all, because I got somewhere to be. I'll see y'all at the gym or when I get back from the gym. Either way, I'll be back.
What is taking out water?
Hey y'all, so my little fat ass finally made it to Crunch and I'm about to get it in. So today is the first day of signing up with a trainer. So me and Tanner is about to do a kick-ass workout and get it in. So before we actually start the workout, I'm about to get on this like 3D scale thing where basically it takes like all my measurements. It does like my weight, body fat, all that good stuff, and this is what the body is looking like before we do anything. And as you can see, I started this journey back in May 8th to be exact. So I'm going to insert some clips of, you know, Tanner literally kicking my ass and doing some workouts here. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I definitely post like all of my workouts, and just so you guys can go on a journey with me of, you know, this 60-pound weight loss journey. So yeah, girl.
Okay, girls, my first day training with the trainer went really well, so now it's time to go get some food. And because I trained really well, of course, I want to feed my body with clean food. So there's a new restaurant in town called Clean Eats, and girl, let me tell you, basically this restaurant does meal prep and of course provides clean food. So today they had 5 options to choose from. I did select all 5, and today I'm going to be choosing the Asian beef and veggies. This has 249 calories, 5 grams of fat, 27 grams of protein, and 24 grams of carbs. So, girl, the simple fact that I do not have to count calories, I'm here for it, and it looks delicious, girl. Also, if you are like on a low carb diet or like myself where I'm having to have more protein in my diet, they can definitely customize your meal plan based upon, what you need in your food or whatever. This was really good, y'all. Honestly, I wish I would have got more of this um, selection here, but because I was new to this week's menu, I just wanted to try everything. But girl, it was real good. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of my first day training with a trainer, trying to get the body right, trying to lose 60 pounds, and eating right at the same time. So make sure you follow me on social media, Instagram and TikTok, Diamond Mind, to stay up to date on what your girl is doing to lose these 60 pounds. Let's get it in. Let's go.